When you see the indexing error not found in Google Search Console, you might feel a slight panic because Google can find some pages on your site. But let's see if you really have a reason to worry that much and how to fix this issue. In short, this indexing error means Googlebot has tried to crawl a page on your site that does not exist. Why does this happen? A few common culprits include a page that was deleted but Google still remembers and tries to crawl it. Or if you decide to change the URL of a page but forgot to create a redirect. Another example is a page that temporarily isn't available due to a technical issue. It's also possible that links are pointing to pages that don't exist on your site. This could happen by mistyping a URL when a website links to another one. In some rarer cases, Google may be trying to crawl pages that don't make much sense and probably never receive links. But do you need to fix these 404 errors? In most cases, the answer is no. You don't need to fix all 404 errors appearing on your website. Google has recognized that 404 errors are a normal part of the internet. This type of error is almost expected as new content is created, moved from one place to another, and content is deleted. However, there are some reasons to fix these 404 errors, as it is important to give search engine bots and users a good browser experience. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Our goal at SEO Testing is to save you time so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Now, back to the video. Now let's focus on fixing the not found indexing issue. First, I recommend you export a list of URLs marked as not found in Google Search Console. Then go through the list and identify which pages you consider important for your site. These are the pages that have some value or you think they should be available to users and appear on Google. In case a page showing a 404 error was deleted by mistake, my recommendation is to restore the page as soon as possible. This could be done by restoring the page on your CMS or creating a new page from scratch using the same URL as the previously deleted page. In case you deleted the page on purpose but don't want to lose its SEO value, consider adding a redirect to a new URL. But please only do this if the redirect goes to an equivalent of the page you deleted. It will be a bad practice to redirect all 404 errors to another page, and Google will see these redirects as soft 404s, because the redirect doesn't make much sense from a content perspective. Another fix will be checking if the 404 is caused by a misspell when linking to another page. You could use tools like Screaming Frog or Sitebulb to check if any internal link on your site is pointing to a 404 and fix them. But it could also be a misspelling when an external site links to your pages. In that case, find a way to redirect from the URL with the misspell to the correct URL version. You should also look into creating a custom 404 page. This will be the page users see if they try to access a page that isn't available. This won't necessarily help with your website's SEO performance, but it will help with user experience. The goal of a custom 404 page is to help users navigate to another page on your site if they come across a 404 error, rather than just going back to Google. After making the necessary fixes to the pages on your site, kindly ask Google to crawl your pages again in Google Search Console. Now, if you want to make the most out of your Google Search Console data, use SEO testing to set up SEO tests and know what changes to your site increase traffic. We have a 14-day free trial for you to test it. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.